Shwmae, I'm the Minister for Further and Higher Education here in Wales. If you're considering where to study abroad, I'd like to share why Wales could be the perfect choice for you. Wales offers more than just a study destination. It's a place where you'll truly belong. Our universities and colleges combine world-class academic excellence with cutting-edge facilities and research opportunities that prepare you for success in today's global economy. What makes Wales special is our welcoming spirit and distinctive character. Our communities are amongst the most supportive and inclusive you'll find anywhere. Whether you enjoy music, arts, sports or the outdoors, you'll discover something that resonates with you. Our breathtaking landscapes from mountains to beaches are always within reach, providing the perfect backdrop to your educational journey. We deeply value what international students like you bring to Wales. You enrich our campuses with fresh perspectives, diverse talents and global connections. Your presence helps create the vibrant atmosphere that makes Welsh universities and colleges such exciting places to learn and grow. When you study in Wales, you become part of something meaningful, a new generation of leaders and innovators who will shape the future both here and in your home countries. You'll serve as an ambassador for both your homeland and for Wales, building understanding and creating international connections that benefit us all. Wales isn't just where you'll study, it's where you'll make lifelong friends, create unforgettable memories, and develop the skills to thrive in your chosen career. We look forward to welcoming you to our beautiful country and seeing the unique contribution that you'll make to our global community. Croeso I Gymru, welcome to Wales.